Namaskar, myself Dr. Rachita Srivastava from Government BYT College Durg, Chhattisgarh. At first, I wish to give my thanks to organizing team for giving opportunity me. I am giving my presentation on reshaping organizational culture with emotional intelligence during the corona pandemic times. The world is undergoing a period of uncertainty due to the corona pandemic. You all people know about data. It also has affected to mass population in India. In order to control the epidemic, a situation of lockdown occurred in March 2020 in India. In February, it seemed that the situation was controlled and second wave started soon in March 2021. The situation became uncontrolled again. The states started lockdown. The workers started returning to their respective states. Economic derailed by lockdown. The industry and the people associated with them have a direct impact. Maintaining economy and organizational becomes a challenge. In such an odd situation, a change in working style and insight is required. In this, the head of the institution has a special role. The main objectives of the research are: first, understanding emotional intelligence and its components. Second, to evaluate the need for change of organizational culture in light of COVID-19 pandemic. Third, to discuss the utility of emotional intelligence in the head of the organization. And fourth, to throw light on the technique of development of components of emotional intelligence. To fulfill the objectives of research, the qualitative approach was adopted. Secondary data and published reports were also used. Human beings are powered by emotions. Emotional intelligence leads to achievement, happiness, and success. These are very important for everyone and all organizations. In today's difficult period, innovation will have to be adopted in the working style according to the values by organization. Understanding emotional intelligence. The term emotional intelligence was first coined in 1997 by researchers John Mayer and Peter Salve. Salve and Mayer originally described it as the ability to perceive emotions, to access and generate emotions, to understand emotions and emotional knowledge, and to effectively regulate emotions. Salve and Mayer highlighted perceive emotions, facilitating thought using emotion, understand emotions, and managing emotion. Let us see the components of emotional intelligence. Gluman described 5 main components of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-regulation, internal motivation, empathy, and social skills. Empathy and social skills. Organizational culture is quite complex. Organizational culture is a system. According to Richard, organizational culture is the sum of values and rituals which serve as a glue to integrate the member of the organization. Organizational culture, the need to change during the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 has dramatically changed the day-to-day. Work from home is started. We have to follow COVID-19 protocol in our organization, which means it is likely alerting their culture. Let us see the relationship between emotional intelligence and leader. Gluman highlighted the importance of emotional intelligence in leadership, telling the Harvard Business Review the most effective leaders are all alike in one crucial way. They all have a high degree of what has come to be known as emotional intelligence. Utility of emotional intelligence in the head of the organization in Corona times. Why needed? Look at the pictures. What is this? In first picture, pregnant DSP on duty in Chhattisgarh urges people to follow COVID norms. Video goes viral. People praised and saluted, but do they need praise and salute this time? Not at all. They need rest. They need leave. After all, a beautiful comment has come on social media. Prashant wrote that this is wrong. She should not be doing this. With all due respect, instead of praising, she should be advised to have leave. After this picture, this type of pictures started to appear. We are also in this queue, deserve for praise. Look at the second picture. She was nurse. She was pregnant. 8 months was going on, but one day she was COVID-19 positive while on duty and passed away. A 3-year-old baby is left behind. My question is, will you still appreciate it? However, after this, the matter was relieving pregnant lady from duty has come to the fore. This is the reason that today all organizational heads should use their emotional intelligence during this pandemic time. Turbulent times call for poised, emotionally intelligent leaders. High EQ helps individuals to communicate better, reduce their anxiety and stress, diffuse conflicts, improve relationships, and effectively overcome life's challenges. Some techniques for leaders developing emotional intelligence during the corona pandemic times. Balance your thinking and feelings. Create psychological safety. Welcome dissent. Invite challenges and prepare to be wrong. How to improve self-awareness. Ask for constructive feedback. Learn new skills. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Practice mindfulness. Reflect on your experiences. Set goals. Use positive self-tasks. How to improve self-regulation. Be mindful of your thoughts and feelings. Build distress tolerance skill. Find ways to manage difficult emotions. Look at challenges as opportunities. Practice your communication skill. Use cognitive reframing to change thought patterns and emotional responses. Use cognitive reframing to change thought patterns and emotional responses. Internal motivation is very important. How to improve? Celebrate your results with employees. Focus on setting small and measurable goals. Introduce challenges to keep things interesting. Set goals to help build internal motivation. Avoid overuse of external awards. How to build empathy. Share your own feelings. Listen to other people. Practice loving kindness meditation. Talk to new people. How to improve social skills. Find icebreakers. Notice other people's social skills. Ask open-ended questions. Practice good eye contact. Practice your social skills. Practice active listening. Actually, verbal and non-verbal communication is very important for developing social skills. If the organization makes necessary change in the culture and work style of the organization with emotional intelligence, then the work efficiency, production, and income of the organization can be increased. Job anxiety and stress can be reduced in these corona pandemic times. Finally, we can say it's time to reshape organizational structure. Thank you to listening me.